What stands out right away about this is that this combines an alarm clock, Bluetooth speaker, wireless charger, and RGB light unit into one compact device. I'll come back to the one feature that ultimately mattered the most to me, but there's a few things that you should know. The first thing I noticed is that this reduces a number of separate devices that usually to sit on a nightstand. There's a wireless charging pad here that's built into the top. The clock display stays in front and center, and the lighting wraps around the upper edge instead of feeling like an afterthought. The Bluetooth functionality also gives it a secondary purpose beyond simply just waking me up. Because normal use, it feels more like a bedside hub than a traditional alarm clock. What you might be wondering is whether combining all of these functions makes any of them harder to use. In practice, everything is pretty straightforward because the controls are located right on the front and the display remains easy to read at a glance. I didn't feel like I was having to constantly dig through menus just to access basic functions. This makes the most sense for someone who wants fewer devices on their nightstand while still having charging, lighting, audio, and alarm functions all in one place. The feature that ended up mattering the most to me was just simply how much space it helped me consolidate without having to make anything complicated.